Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm back to work in the Dollar Tree planner. The Dollar Tree planner is a notebook style planner. It is in a traveler's notebook cover by Printpression. This is what the notebook looks like. This part of this setup is what I will be giving away at the end of the year. So I am decorating the pages, leaving them undated. And I am using prompts from the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner and Journal Challenge to do the pages. So these are, let's move some of this over. So these are the recent pages that I have done. So I am missing some pages, but based on the comments that I received, or I'm missing some weeks, but based on the comments that I received, you all don't mind. You still want to do the giveaway, so we're going to still do the giveaway. Okay, so this was last week, and this kit is available over on my Patreon. So if you're interested in that, it is available there. And I have made another kit. I'm going to attempt to make kits for the prompts as I go. So the next week, the prompt is Modern Christmas. Now I could have done modern, like geometrically shaped Christmas trees. I considered that, but then I thought, well, black and gold is kind of a modern Christmas take. So I felt like I would rather do something like that because it was more in keeping with my style. So this is available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. And I have actually spruced it up a little bit by adding some stickles. And I was looking for the color on this one, but it doesn't say, but it's like a holographic frosted look. And lately I have rediscovered my stickles. I've had these for a long time, just stuck in a box. And I just pulled them out one day and started using them. So I have stickled my stickers. So if you print your own stickers, print and cut at home, then if you want to spruce up your stickers, add a little bling, stickles, or some type of glitter glue, because basically it is a glitter glue, I think. Yeah, glitter glue. Some type of glitter glue is a great way to add a little sparkle. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's showing through a little bit. So I added it kind of all over the place. Now you do have to allow time for this to dry. I have been impatient and used my heating tool a little bit on it, but hopefully everything is dry. I also did a dashboard design. So this can be tipped in, I hope. I've already trimmed it down, but I also added the stickles to this as well, and I printed it on vellum. This will be available for free. I will put the link on the community tab so that you can go over to my website and pick it up. So this will be available for everyone, free, personal use. Then as far as washi, I've pulled out these Simply Gilded washis, these day of the week washis from Rose Colored Days. So Simply Gilded, Rose Colored Days, and then this, I don't know where this came from. This was the one I was initially going to use, but I think I may alternate with one of the Simply Gilded washis to cover this area. So let's get started. I'm going to set all the stickers aside just in case they are not completely dry. I did blot them, but just in case. And let's go ahead and put down the washi. Now, with the glitter glue, I don't think there's very much fallout, but there may be a little fallout. So if you don't like glitter, then maybe that's not for you. Usually it doesn't have fallout, but I was, like I said, impatient and I kept touching it. Then I laid something on top of it and made a mess. So you have to be careful and patient. But anywho, so yeah, that is a great way. You can also spruce up your stickers with using foil. And I've shown how to do that before as well. I will link to one of those videos in the iCard up above for anyone interested in how to add foil to your stickers. That really comes in handy, things like that. If you want a little shine, a little shimmer, on your stickers, but you're printing at home, it's not always simple to do that. So the glitter glue, and I think you can even get glitter glue from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure how good the glue is, but I think I have seen glitter glue in Dollar Tree. So I had already cut some strips of this. This is why I don't like to use this washi, because it's one of these that has the backing on it. But let's just see how this looks. I know you're going to be able to see through the white a little bit, but maybe we can get by with that. And I didn't do the journaling spot weekend. I'm just going to leave the weekend as is, I think. I think I'm okay with how that looks. So let's move on. I'm going to do the header next, I think. So I intended to use this garland for the header. If you notice, I didn't do a lot of florals here, but I did want to do some type of greenery. So we're going to go, will this go all the way across? No, it will not. So we're going to do it like this. I guess I am going to have to just use some white out. All right, I'll worry about the other side when we get there. Let's see. I don't really want to have to trim off the edge, but I guess I'll have to. So I'm going to go like that. Trim. All right, let's trim just a hair off of this. Did I trim too much? I did. I'm putting it back. Oh gosh. Wow. All right, I didn't even need to trim that. What was I looking at? Okay, so let's trim these bits off at the top. I think I put that side down lower, but we're going to pretend we don't see that. So next, I think I'm going to use her since she's blinged up. I didn't do any bling on that doll. Do I want to put her on the weekend? All right, so there she goes. So I think I'm going to use this one without the background and see how it goes. I think I'm going to put them in the middle. Let's see how that goes. Probably making a mistake by putting that in the middle, but I have a reason for it. I want to use the trees and the gifts. So with that in the middle, with the dates in the middle, I have room on the edges of the paper to decorate like so. And then I can use this one up here. kind of want to make more of these trees. The stockings. Can hang. Let's get some box stickers going here. Don't I have some gold boxes? I do. Let's get some of these. Let's grab this one. Let's use some of these scallop boxes. And the basic boxes, which are the boxes that I'm using, are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. So, there we go. Put that right there. So that way you can do Saturday, Sunday. There's a little bit of room. Let's put this up here. And then I'm going to, nope, we're going to move that one over. Let's use this. So I'm thinking I can run this down the middle somehow, even though it's curved a little bit. Let's try it. I'm going to cut it. Let's try it. Okay. Well, that didn't cut quite right, but it'll be fine. That covers up a lot of that. Let's move her over if I can, because I didn't want to cover up all the floral. All right, she might be a little crooked, but it's okay. So I like that. Just add some of the gifts. All right, I think I like that just fine there. Just run this over here. I think that's good. I can save these for something else or print another sheet. That's the beauty of using printables, digitals. So I think that is it for the stickers. Let's go ahead and do the tip in. So like I said, I already trimmed it down. I think I made this at 5 1/4 by 7 1/2. So I allowed for some bleed. So it's a little bit bigger than 5 by 7. The Dollar Tree planner is 5 by 7 1/4. So it's not quite 5 by 7, but close. So I am going to run this down the inside edge. See, I got glitter on here because I accidentally put the vellum on top of the stickers while the stickers were still wet. Okay, let's get as close to the edge as possible. This is 1/8 inch double-sided tape. I got it from Amazon. I'll link to everything that I can, including the sticker paper that I use, in the description box below. I will be using affiliate links, which means I earn a small commission, but I do appreciate it if you use my links when shopping for these items. Okay, where is my pokey tool? Let's see. Let's peel that up. And I'm peeling it all the way off because I'm just going to slide it into the crease here, the fold, the spine, line it up as best as I can. It's a little crooked. And I may have to trim some. So I think that works. So we got the window. And it makes it a little bumpy with the glitter, but it's not too bad. But that is what it looks like. I think that's kind of cute. We'll see little trees in the window. Then you turn, and then there's the other page. Okay. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I think I did everything right. There's the shimmer again, so you can see. Let me know what you think in the comments. Will you be trying the glitter glue or stickles? I have other colors. I have the gold. I started to use the gold, but I really like this one with that holographic look. And see, I have glitter on my hands. But it's worth it. I think this looks really cute. Turned out great. This is Modern Christmas, the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner and Journal Challenge prompt. The black washi tape is from Simply Gilded. The striped washi is from my stash. It may be from Michael's, I don't know. The deco stickers and doll are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons, as well as the boxes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.